Hello, welcome back. So I have received this pack or parcel, you can say, from Oswal Books. This is a free parcel sent to teachers across India so that they can guide their students. तो देखते हैं इस पैक में क्या है. I had just opened up the seal of the packet, and the first thing I find here is, wow, there's a jute bag from Oswal Books. So this is, I suppose, the free gift along with the books. So there is a packet containing books, a letter, and this gift. इसके अंदर काफ़ी स्पेस है. It's a very nice jute bag. Thank you Oswal Books for the gift. And then the next thing I find here is a letter and some bookmarks from Oswal Books. Very beautiful and very inspiring. So this is a letter from Oswal Books as well, and I'll be thanking them for the gift through this letter, the numbers that have been provided. Okay, and then we have the book list from this publication. There are so many books that they publish, and they are a very well-known name in the publication industry, especially along with the students and teachers who really value their books and recommend them. So this is a book list with all the list of books for different grades and different kinds of books, and also their prices. So this is a very good and useful thing. And then I have here, because I am a history civics teacher here, so I have this ICSE chapter wise question bank for class 10 history and civics, which will be very useful for this one, for semester 1 21-22. And then there is also an ICSE question bank for class 9 history and civics. This is also for the next year 2022 exam. So it is very helpful, which will help me to guide the students with different questions and answers, mind maps and everything. Because in Oswal Books you can see there is latest solved papers, most likely questionnaire, mind maps, commonly made errors and answering tips. This is the best part of the Oswal Books, which I like. That is, they tell you the commonly made errors of the students, and they also give you answering tips. So as a student, it's very helpful for you to see how you can improve on your answers, and where normally in a question you are making errors. And this is from the point of view of the examiners. So you come to know what is required to be written in the answers. So this is a very good feature of Oswal Books, which is commonly not found, I haven't found at least in other publications sometimes. And then there is a copy of these books which they very nicely have given me so that I can share it with my teacher friends, so that I'm very thankful for that. So a big thanks to Oswal Books for sending these samples to teachers so that they can amply guide their students. And if you wish to purchase their books, you can. I highly recommend these books for especially ICSE class 9 and class 10 history and civics. So if you like this channel and you have seen other videos, please go and see the videos, like, share and subscribe to the channel, because we'll be putting up more videos related to ICSE class 9 and class 10. Thank you and have a good day.